All right, all of these are also in basic solution, so we're gonna have to kind of be careful here. All right, so let's assign some oxidation numbers. Oxygen's -2. Now here, this is the hydroxide ion, so its overall is -1. You can do some other creative algebra to do that if you want to. It's not really necessary. -6, that's +4. -4, so that's +2. All right. Okay, so bismuth goes from +3 to 0, so that's a gain of 3 electrons. And double check after the last problem, there's only one of them. 10 goes from +2 to +4, so that's a loss of 2. So that's going to make things fun. Okay, so oxidation is loss. So that's going to be our 10, SnO2, SnO3. The reduction is going to be the bismuth. How much did we lose? 2 electrons plus 3 electrons gives us just bismuth. Not good when I forget to put the electrons in there. Now let's balance each half reaction, balancing the oxygens. So I need 1 water over here. And, oh goodness, I wrote that parentheses wrong, OH3. Okay, so there's 3 oxygens here, so I need 3 waters. Now I need to balance hydrogens. So I need 2. And I need 6. And now I have to get rid of my hydrogens because I'm in basic conditions. So we have to neutralize those. 2 OH minus. And remember, with the OH minus, you have to add it to both sides. So that's the tricky part. If it helps you to mark this out and make that water, that's fine. So here we have 6 OH and 6 OH minus. So if that helps you out, you can write 6 waters. Now we need to balance electrons. Notice there's no easy way to get 2 and 3, and we are not using fractions. So we need to multiply this whole thing by 3 and this whole thing by 2. So here I'm going to write this. It's going to give me 6 OH minus 3 H2O, 3 SnO2 minus 2, 3 SnO3 minus 2, 6 electrons, 6 waters. If you want to go ahead and cancel out your waters here, great. I'm not going to worry about it. This is all by 2, so that gives me 12 waters, 2 bismuth hydroxides, 6 electrons, 2 bismuth, 6 waters, 12 OH minus. Okay, so now we're ready to put all this together. This is going to get really long, so I'm going to kind of start far over here. Start at the top. 6 OH minus, 3 H2O, 3 SnO2 minus 2. 12 waters, 2 bismuth hydroxides, 6 electrons. On the other side, 3 SnO3 minus 2, 6 electrons, 6 waters. 2 bismuth, 6 water, 12 OH minus. All right, now just be careful here when you're combining and canceling things. All right, so first let's cancel the electrons. Now, why don't we deal with water? 3 and 12, that's 15 waters. And and 12 waters. So why don't we cancel that out? Okay, now we need to cancel out OH minus 6 and 12. That goes away, that becomes a 6. All right, so our final answer should have 3 waters, 3 SNO2, 2 BiOH3s, 3 SNO3, and confirming we're in basic conditions, we do have free hydroxide.